my fire, where the fire is? Okay. All right. How is everyone doing today?
We're good.
You're doing good? Well, we have a book that we want to read for you that we turned into a play. And these are all my little actors right here who are standing so nicely and quietly. You're doing a great job. And our book today is called You Noisy Monkey. Are you actors, are you ready? You ready? Okay. Monkey was a noisy monkey. He often disturbed the peace of the jungle with his Lion was peacefully sleeping until he heard beep. What did Lion say?
Quiet, noisy monkey. I am trying to sleep.
Roared Lion. Elephant was quietly talking until they heard
Be quiet, noisy monkey. I'm trying to talk.
Hippo was silently thinking until they heard
Be quiet, you noisy monkey. I'm trying to sing.
shouted Hippo. Monkey was sad. I'll go where no one can hear me. Monkey climbed to the top of the highest tree in the jungle. And there he saw a raging fire. It's coming this way, Monkey said as he raced down to warn his friends. Lion was still peacefully sleeping until he heard Now Lion was really angry.
I'll get you, noisy monkey.
Roared Lion as he chased Monkey through the jungle. Sitting nicely, please. Sitting nicely. Fun go. Elephant was still quietly talking until they heard I'll get you,
noisy monkey.
yelled Elephant as she chased Monkey through the jungle. Hippo was still silently thinking until they heard
I got you, you noisy monkey.
shouted Hippo as he chased Monkey through the jungle. Monkey ran faster and faster with Lion, Elephant, and Hippo right behind. Good. And they all cried, "We'll."
We'll get you, you noisy monkey.
They all cried. Monkey ran until he reached the river. Then he pointed at the fire they had all escaped from. Look! Lion looked. Elephant looked. Hippo looked. They all knew that Monkey had saved them.